Alright, so we are going to do another one length trim. So as you can see, I've got a center section down the middle of the back. From that center section, I've got two A-line sections working from right to left. Basically from that center section to the ear. And then I'm combing that section down and basically establishing my outline. I'm cutting in my new length. Now, once I've got done cutting in this new length, I will take another A-line section, working my way up the head, combing that section down. You can see right here, I'm gonna take another section, A-line section right there, combing that hair down, clipping that other section away, and using that underneath, that previous section I just got done cutting, as my guide. Now, I'm going to use that as my guide through the rest of the haircut to establish the rest of the length. And I'm gonna do that on both the right side and the left side. So now that I've completed cutting the length on the left side, it's time to do the right side. As you can see, taking another A-line section, combing that straight down, using the previous underneath section as my guide, and I'm going to work my way up the head using A-line sections, cutting and removing the length. Alright, so we've come to the end of the haircut. I've blow dried the hair straight, cross-checked the outline. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank each and every one of you again so very much for watching.